I heard this quote the other day that just blew my mind, and it was, "You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are." So this may explain why you might be doing the affirmations and the meditation and setting goals, and you're still coming up short. You're doing all the right things, but you haven't yet become the type of person who is capable of achieving that goal. But don't give up hope, because you are doing the work. You're headed in the right direction. It just may take a little time until you truly embody the beingness of the person you need to become. And this isn't an airy-fairy, woo-woo kind of thing. You just simply haven't developed yet the confidence and the knowingness that you have become a new, improved version of yourself. So you can set a goal to lose 20 pounds, for instance, and you can do all the positive self-talk and envision where you're headed and imagine yourself reaching the goal. But until you become a healthy person, where healthy choices simply become second nature, until you reach that point, you might stumble a little bit. And that's okay. It's part of the journey. Don't give up. Keep moving forward, but just know that in addition to thinking, in addition to doing, you have to embody a sense of being the type of person who's capable of reaching your goals. I hope this helps.